How to fix the can't login in your Moneygram error. So Moneygram is an app which needs a stable network. Make sure you have a stable network. You may just use any of the speed tester of your Wi-Fi and see if you have stable network or not. If you don't have it, you may just call your internet provider and ask them to provide you with a more faster network with a faster internet speed. So the next very step you can do is just check if you have downloaded the latest version or not, if you have updated the app or not. So for that, you may just go to Play Store and here search for the app and look if it is updated or not. Just tap on the app and see if you get the update option or not. If your app needs update, you'll see an update option instead of open here. Just tap on update and see the changes. Even if that doesn't work, what you can do is just go to the settings of the app. For that, you need to long press on it and tap on this eye icon, and here just scroll down to stores, and here you see options of clearing data and clearing cache. Just tap on clear cache and see if that fixes the issue or not. Even if that doesn't fix the issue, you just need to tap on clear data and clear everything out of it, and I'm sure that method is gonna work, but you need to reset everything on your Moneygram again. After that, even if this process doesn't work, then the last step we can do is just reinstall the app. You may just uninstall the app and reinstall it into your device, and in that way your issue of not able to log in Moneygram will be fixed. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.